get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never, ever, never, ever had before. Yeah. I'm just gonna tell you right now that I believe, I really do believe that something's gotta hold on me, yeah. Oh, it must be love, ooh, something's gotta hold on me right now, child. It must be love. Let me tell you now, I gotta feel it, I feel so strange. Everything about me seems to have changed. Step by step, I got a brand new walk. I even sound sweet on brand I talk. I said, oh, 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 said, baby, oh, it must be love, must be love. Let me tell you now, something's got a hold on me, yeah, yeah. Oh, it must be love. Whoa, 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 something's got a hold on me right now, shine. Let me tell you now, I never felt like this before. Something's got a hold on me that won't let go. Believe I'd die if I only could. It sure feels strange, but it sure feels good. Whoa, 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 son, baby. Oh, it must be love, must be love. Let me tell you now, my heart can tell me. My feet feel like I shake all over, but I feel alright. I never felt like this before. Something's got a hold on me that won't let go. I never thought it could happen to me. Got me happy without the misery. I never thought it could be this way. Love should gotta put a hurt on me. I said, oh, 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 oh. I said, baby, oh, it must be love, must be love. Yeah, he walks like love. He walks like love. He talks like love. He talks like love. Makes me feel like love. Makes me feel right. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Something's got a hold on me. Yeah. Oh, it must be love. You know it must be
Wow! Evolution!
Wow! Goosebumps. Grabe.
Grabe yun.
Grabe naman kayo. What a show starter. Alam nyo, para kaming nanonood ng isang musical play. May halong sexiness
Yes.
and sultriness, but it was a very enjoyable performance.
Sa movie ko nga lang napapanood yung ganong performance.
Diba, no, Ray? Tanong natin na ating
Siyempre,
Flash
yeah.
panel.
Kaya nga itong trio na to, The Evolution, di ba? Nako, parang naalala ko yung mga magagaling na singers na pinagsama-sama, Destiny's Child, pati ng Supremes. Yun talaga yung maganda yung ginawa tonight. Para kayong mga mamamahaling prutas na nilagay sa blender na nag-blend ng maayos at masarap kainin.
Para sa akin, that was electrifying. Electrifying. Nakakatuwa kasi talagang very cohesive yung nangyari sa inyo. Bagamat tatlo kayo, pero you came out as one. The harmonizing was really good. And you know, the movements were just really simple, but for me, it was really strong. I love it, girls. I love it.
And you've got a hold on me, don't even know my power. around you.
Show me open door when you go and slam it on me. I can't take anymore. I'm saying, baby,
Please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you told me to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart. Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? And I tried to that I just to be near you, baby. I'd open, testify, and tell me that I'm not crazy.
asking for the love, just that you're honest with me.
And my pride is all I got. I'm saying, baby, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you told me to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart. Would you please have mercy on me? I'm a puppet on your string, and even though you got good intention, I need you to set me free. Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? 'Cause you may know the air inside my lungs, ripping through the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I will dive into its light. Ripping off the skin from off my bone, and I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I will dive into its I'm a puppet on your string, even though you got good intention. I need you to set me free. Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Would you please have mercy, mercy on my heart? Mercy, mercy on my heart. I'm begging you for mercy, mercy on my heart. Ooh, ooh,
Wow!
The Trio Harmony!
Grabe. Pasabog na performance. Alam mo yung parang nagsusumabog yung damdamin. Gusto mo na lang ilabas lahat. Pero ang na-appreciate ko dito, yung parang pinakadulong part nila, yung medyo naging quiet sila sa dulo.
Tsaka na-appreciate ko yung pababa sila ng pababa.
Hindi ko nga alam kanina pa-basketball na, de-dribble lang. Shoot na lang.
Galing. Siyempre,
Clash
tatanungin
panel.
natin ating Clash Panel.
Sige, ako muna. Well done. Ang gagaling ng lahat ng grupo so far, including the first group. Again, parang kung sino ang mahirap din katulad ng last group, kung sino ang malalagay sa danger zone, medyo just a few things. Pero nag-blend din kayo very well. Pati yung emotions yun nag-blend. Yun ang pinakagusto ko. Parang nag-usap kayo talaga. Parang nag-uusap kayo sa isa't isa. Kinakausap nyo yung isa't isa, kinakausap nyo kami. I guess yung question ko lang is, ano natutunan nyo sa isa't isa as a group?
Ito mga batang to, Sir Christian, I mean, kasi medyo nahihirapan po talaga kami mag-adjust para sa isa't isa, lalo na si Lea Fer. Opo. Kasi iba yung genre niya sa amin. So, dumating yung point na pinapagalitan ko na talaga naging kuya ako sa kanila. And akala ko iti-take nila as bad for me. Kasi, yun, buti nakinig.
Okay, kayong girls. Now, it's your time na pagalitan si Kuya Jong. Sige, anong natutunan nyo sa kanya?
Ako po, I am so blessed and privileged po na makateam po si Kuya Jong. Since siya po talaga yung hinahangaan namin since season 1 po.
Si baby girl.
Si Kuya Jong po, sa pagtuturo niya po sa amin, nasasabi ko po na, wow, ito yung maganda. Kasi po, as a group, kailangan po talaga na may mag-lead po sa amin.
Miss A, ano masasabi?
Yes. Nakakatuwa na ang isang kanta na pang solo ay nagiging pang trio and ganyan kaganda lumabas. Nakakatuwa kasi parang teleserye na ikaw yung gwapong-gwapong bidang lalaki. Tapos nagkakagulo yung dalawang babae sa'yo na mga ganda. Ganun ang dating. Ang pogi mo eh. Ang bongga-bongga. Ang galing ninyong tatlo. Sabi nga, sa English, it's a distinct but complementary vocal range. And it's a cohesive performance, really. And nakakatuwa na naman itong batang to, parang 16 pa lang yan, pero parang matanda na siya mag-perform. Yes.
Matang makakilala sa unang pagtagpo.
Paano dahan-dahan sinuyo ang puso?
Kay taga ko nang nag-iisa, andyan ka lang pala. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Mahiwaga ang nadarama, sa'yo'y malinaw. Sa minsang pagpapaling ng hangin,
Hindi na patungo sa akin
na tanging ika'y ibigin. Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka sa
Kalayo. Siya mo ba na?
Trouble Bros!
The Trouble Bros!
Grabe, sarap pakinggan nun.
Grabe. That's my favorite Ben and Ben song.
Grabe.
Araw-araw.
Good job. Tatanungin natin ang ating Clash panel kung ano masabi nila sa The Treble Boys.
Sige, gusto ko lang i-point out na yung jacket nila palaki ng palaki, no? So, maliit, tapos lumalaki. Hindi ko alam kung anong creative decision nun. Pero, palaki rin ang palaki at pagaling ng pagaling ang talent nyo individually. Galing. Galing din ang performance nyo. And again, parang mahirapan kami ulit kung paano pumili. Ang sarap din ng napiling song. Iba rin talaga ang OPM kapag kinanta, tagos talaga sa puso natin. At yun, nakita ko nga nagtulong-tulong kayo, bigayan. You wanted everyone to shine as well para maging isang cohesive performance. At for me, talagang lahat kayo nag-level up. Miss Lani?
Yun nga din ang gusto ko sa kanila na yun ang bawat isa sa kanila, parang you're trying to carry each other. Nakita ko na pantay-pantay kayo, kaya lumabas na yung harmonizing nyo naging solid. Also the musicality and lumabas na napakaganda ng performance nyo. So again, congratulations.
Thank you, Clash Panel.